Let's check out this part of the beach.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión.
This morning when we went swimming, there was water actually here. We couldn't see this area, the beach. The tide was higher when we came here this morning. Now it's gone low tide. Now here, this part of this beach, the water is very clear. You can actually see what's down underwater. Seagrass. Some shells. And there are probably sea urchins there. I'm not sure, maybe they're not sea urchins, but they're spiny. Actually, we were swimming here. The water level was higher up. And we came to this exact spot yesterday to get on the shuttle boat, the small boat that took us to the tour boat. And here's one guy fishing using just nets, and he has got some probably sea urchin. What did you get? Sea urchin? Oh, a lot of sea urchins. This is his catch for the day. These are all sea urchins. Oh man, look at this. They're all fresh. They're still moving. These sea urchins are gonna be sold at the market. Whoa, they're fresh from the sea of Malapascua. Look at that. They're still moving. Whoa, look at that. Don't get these by the spines. Those spines sting. Better watch out. And he was just snorkeling or something. He was just wading through the waters here because it's not so deep. And we found one shell here. There's a ton of seagrass. He was just snorkeling. The only equipment he used was this snorkel and this some sort of a bar. And then he used it to pick these sea urchins. Look at that. Oh, it's so heavy. It's about, oh my goodness, it's so heavy. All of these. What's the difference between the black sea urchin and the others? Different. How?
So it's nice or black?
The black is good? It's good. And the others? The white spines are okay?
It's okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see.
To play or rice.
Oh, yeah. He brought his own rice and you're going to eat here?
Yes.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
Wow. And the rest you sell? He's gonna eat here with his son. This is your son, right? Hello. What's your name? Franz. You're gonna eat the sea urchin? They're gonna be enjoying these sea urchins here.
So for example, you try this one?
No, I've never tried that. Never tried that.
You try it good.
Oh, you don't have to cook it, right?
Not directly.
Directly.
About like that, try.
Look at that, it's so fresh. You can see the juice coming out from it. That one,
Cleaning.
Cleaning?
This one, yellow.
The yellow.
So, the grass, like that.
And how do you eat it? You can show me how you eat it.
So like that, this one hand. Like that.
And then?
Melodies we haven't played.
Good.
So like that wash.
And then you
the
wash.
hands,
And
like
then
that.
you first. You first. You first. Whoa. Is it good? Is it good? you first. You first.
Yeah, like sample this one.
Okay, okay.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
That's also a sea urchin, right? Also a sea urchin. You put it with rice, and then how does it taste? Salty?
Little bit salt,
A little bit salty.
little bit sweet.
Sweet. Oh, really? A little bit salty, a little bit sweet.
So you try.
Okay, one. You want to try? Okay, I'll try. Just one. So this is really fresh, straight from the sea right there.
Yes.
And he's gonna wash it, and I will try.
Number fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see.
Does it hurt? Does it? No. Does it hurt?
No problem.
No problem. Okay. So I'll try it, and then I will.
No, directly like that. This one. Because
No.
Like that.
Oh.
Put the hand and then like that.
Okay. So you put on my hand, on my palm, and then.
Like that. Little bit sweet, little bit.
Through the highways and on.
It's a bit sweet, yeah. It is actually a bit sweet and salty at the same time. Wow, I've never tried that's sea urchin, right?
Yeah.
I've never tried sea urchin before. Yeah, it is. It's got saltiness and sweetness all together.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You try again. The black.
The black sea urchin.
Yeah.
So
This
I've
is
tried
a
what?
Sea urchins.
What about this ones?
Sea urchins the same. Not different.
Nah,
Different.
different as the black spines, yeah. So these I've tried. They are the smaller sea urchins.
Yes. So this one is no problem. Put the hands.
Oh, really?
So this one, the
difficult. This one I can touch it. You can see the spines are still moving here. They're actually moving. Look at that. They're moving. They're moving.
Because live.
It's alive. It's still alive. So you can imagine how fresh they are. They're still actually alive. They are alive. Oh, so you can touch this. Look at that. Whoa, and I've tried what's inside these sea urchins.
Yes.
And he's gonna try the black spine.
So
The black.
First, put this one because the sea urchin. So like that, this one.
Oh, the sea urchins, they try to get away. So look at this. This is his catch for the morning. And he just used snorkel and the stick. It's a metal bar.
Metal,
Yeah, it's metal, made of metal, and he used it to catch these sea urchins.
Because no hold ocean.
You cannot hold sea urchins. They're very, very stingy. How much do you sell it for?
So about situation one like that.
One bucket?
Yeah, 250.
200, what?
250.
250 for one full bucket of sea urchins is 250.
Yes.
I see. And we are gonna try the black one, this black spine sea urchins. อันนี้มันจะหวานแล้วก็มันจะหวานแล้วก็จะเค็ม So it's a bit interesting because from the sea you can only think it's salty, but it's also sweet at the same time. So you can imagine how fresh they are. Maybe if they're not fresh, it could be just salty and maybe bitter. But I didn't taste any bitterness at all. He said it might be bitter if you take it straight from the shell. But if you put it in your palm, then you can taste the sweetness as well as the saltiness of the sea urchin. And he's washing it. You're washing it, or
So sea urchin, so like that.
they're spiny?
Yeah.
Spiny.
About this one only like that, this one.
Oh.
So, all this one like broken.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. So to break the spines, you have to do this.
Yeah, so
You have to
about-
shake it in the net.
So finish like that, it's okay.
Ah, it's okay to hold down because the spines are like broken. Yeah. So the spines, the pointy things get broken once you do this thing. Shaking it with the net inside the net, and the spines will be broken like that. And then you sell it there in the market? Where?
So about one people or it's okay, so buy or one like that.
Uh-huh.
To me also.
Oh, in the market or
No,
you just...
yeah, about people to coming here to buy or one buy.
Oh, okay, I see, I see. And there is a starfish here.
Yes, yes.
This is a live starfish, yeah. And how often do you catch these sea urchins? How often? Every day?
No, about no, one family, it's okay, me, that's okay.
Sea urchins?
Bring our house or eating our family.
Oh, really?
About the breakfast.
Oh, for breakfast. Oh, so the life here is so very simple and it's so easy. You can catch sea urchins and maybe catch some fish, and then you bring it to your house, you share it with your family for breakfast, lunch, or maybe even dinner. So this is a very, very simple way of life. A very modest way of life.
Finish.
So that's finished. No, the spines are gone. No more
I
spines.
saw it in the market like
Yeah. So if you buy from the market, they would look like this. They are sea urchins.
So, you know, this one or potna like that.
Ah. So you can hold them now.
Yeah, hold
Yeah,
them.
yeah, you can hold. You can hold the sea urchins. You don't have to be afraid to get stung by it.
They are all Sea Urchins. Yeah. So, you know, open this one.
Yeah.
Not like that, this one. Hold directly.
Hold directly.
Yeah.
Oh man, you can see the juice coming out of the shell.
Open.
And then you
Washing.
wash it. Yeah.
This one again.
You take it off. Only the yellow ones. So this is the black sea urchin. And
You know?
and I do it like this. Can I try it?
You try like
Okay. Yeah. Okay, okay. And then you do it like this.
Yeah,
You have
like
to
that.
scoop it.
Yes.
Scoop it with your thumb like this.
that. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So this is now the black sea urchin. Okay. And then you put it on your palm like
So
this.
this one like that directly. It's
Directly, no problem, okay.
Not different this one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
directly like that. Little bit sweet and the same again. It's nice.
Mmm.
Nice.
It's salty.
Different.
Different.
Yeah,
Okay. So we're trying the black sea urchin. Let's see. Mmm.
Yummy.
Yummy, yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy. Mmm. I've finished all of it. And this is a black sea urchin.
You try, mom.
You try.
Try, mom. It's nice. Yeah, you try. No problem.
อร่อย
กินที่อาหารญี่
No
ปุ่นแล้วแพ
problem.
งนะ
Yes. Me, huh?
You try.
Like that. So yeah, like directly over.
You sip it.
Yeah, no problem, mom.
She said it's salty. It's salty. So I will eat all of it, huh?
Yeah. It's nice eating. Like that, Sea Urchins, like that.
Mm. So this guy's telling me that he said it's a good aphrodisiac. It's a good aphrodisiac, these sea urchins here. Okay. Oh, that is why in Philippines a lot of children, huh? In the Philippines there are many children because of sea urchins. It's a good aphrodisiac. So that's it. So you're gonna be selling this, all of it.
I'll bring all family.
You bring to your family and you share with your family. And this here you will sell in the market?
No.
No. Oh, you bring to your family, all of it. These are still moving. The spines are still moving. Look at that. So these are still live. And this you will eat. Okay.
So me directly eating now.
Here for you and your son. Okay. So, okay. We will buy, but you will have to keep it with your family. You eat it, share it with your family. So how much is one bucket?
So this one,
One bucket.
250.
250. Okay. We will give you 300. Okay?
Okay.
Is thank you so much. Okay. So that one is 250, but we will give you 300. You share it with your family. No, it's okay. It's our pleasure. It's our pleasure. And thank you for showing us. Yeah, also. Thank you for showing us. Okay, thank you so much. We enjoyed. Yeah. God bless. God bless you. Yes. So bye bye. Bye. Okay. So this is this.
By the way, born here in Malapascua. My name is Joel.
Joel. Nice to meet you, Joel. My name is Rex.
You?
Rex. Ladawan. Yes. Joel. Nice to meet you, Joel. Yes. Thank you. So we just tried the sea urchins, guys, and it was really great. And this is a pool, and look at this. Maybe we saw this yesterday. I think we saw this starfish yesterday. Yeah, I remember this starfish. There are many starfish here, and you don't have to go deep in the water. It's not even knee deep yet. It's calf deep, and this is a starfish right there. That is a starfish on the beach of Malapascua. So Joel is enjoying his breakfast with his son now, having sea urchin. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.